In this episode, we are looking at the best hybrid table saw on the market for every price range. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Bosch 10-inch Worksite table saw. This machine lets you enjoy a stress-free work time. This is because it offers a unique way to handle it and work with just one hand. This means you get to increase your productivity while also increasing your efficiency, all thanks to the square lock fence system. This hybrid table saw has an adjustable stand that gives room for height adjustment just to fit your needs. You don't have to get different saw stand for different projects. This way, you can save big time on tools, but it has a weak motor, and this limits its functionality. Fox W1837. This hybrid table saw operates with a voltage of 120 at its lowest and 240 at its highest capacity. It has a single-phase motor that has been tailored to work with 120 volts of power, so you don't need to worry about power consumption. Apart from this, it has a RAP capacity of 30 inches on the right side and 15 inches on the left side. This machine lets you complete complex projects faster as you can through peripherals and get into work straight away. It's your companion when it comes to cutting. However, it is limited in cutting wide wood pieces. Woodtec 159665. If you prefer efficiency over attractiveness, go for this hybrid table saw. It comes with a riving knife coupled with a push stick and a miter gauge. All these items are kept in the control box, and you have unlimited access to it once you get the full package. It features a tabletop stand that is perfect for any project or item you want to work on, either wood or lumber. The safety fence system offers maximum safety as it keeps the blade away from you while also stopping it when it is about to contact the skin. On the downside, it has a limited warranty. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.